guys, welcome to Happy Conscious Living. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below this video and to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new future video uploads. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how I am going to razor shave my head, and in the video you will see that I have a little bit longer hair than I have now, and that's because I recorded this video before I recorded this video. So I literally have been shaving my head with this little thing here, and this is really what I've been using for the past couple of months. Obviously I have to change it every so often because the knives are just not very sharp after a couple of shaves. At the moment, I'm keeping up this schedule of shaving my head once a week or every other week, depending on how lazy I feel. This is the result of 3 days of no shaving. So this is what it looks like, just to give you a little close-up. So before I'm going to take you to my bathroom, I want to take a moment to talk a little bit about who we are. So Happy Conscious Living is a positivity lifestyle magazine, and we publish our issues online. We actually offer a free membership. It's a great way to get some inspirational content going because our mission is to really inspire you to live your life to your happiest and fullest potential. Let's get over to our bathroom with our razor and be extremely careful. So now that I've said that, let's go and let's get started. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my soap. And I'm basically doing it like this, so it's going to be all covered in soap. And then I'm just gonna start rubbing it in as if I'm washing my head, but I'm not because I'm gonna shave it. So now I have a section that I use it like this, and now I'm just gonna start shaving it. So as you can see, I'm making like these kind of little tiny motions. Works great. And this is kind of what it looks like. See? So this is as bald as I can go. You will always see that I have hair here, but it's fine. And this is kind of what it looks like. So we're gonna need a little bit more. So you see, this is great. This is how we do it. And I actually feel it's a lot easier now to do it like this. So here you just kind of need to find an opening to start doing this little wiggly thing. And yeah, my hair kind of grows upwards and not sideways. So that's why it's kind of going like this. Okay, so you see, this is all the hair that's coming off now. I know, it looks so funny right now. So as you can see here, it's actually very difficult to kind of get this, but I have a little trick for this. So this is my razor shave look, and I'm completely finished now. I did all the little sides. This is a really particular difficult part to just kind of get around, but just be very careful when you do it so you don't cut yourself. I'm just gonna pop into the shower really quickly so I can wash off all the little hairs because they're everywhere, and I'm gonna just put on a new shirt so I don't look so messed up right now. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, if it was helpful for you, please give us a big thumbs up. And if it wasn't helpful for you, I'm terribly sorry, but do leave a comment in the comment section down below this video so I know what kind of content you want me to create. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other side at happyconsciousliving.com. You can subscribe for free to our magazine, so I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other side. And in the meanwhile, I wish you a wonderful day, have an inspiring week, and remember, if you want to be happy, stay positive.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. We invite you to take a look at our Happy Conscious Living Positivity Lifestyle magazine at happyconsciousliving.com. To access our previous releases, make sure to subscribe to our magazine today. Happy Conscious Living. Stay positive, be happy.